is the what do you think is the reason?
Okay, now that's really serious issue that we need to think about seriously. I mean, this is a serious issue. Death of someone shakes everything.
Yes.
Especially when that's when he or she is a student. Okay, now this thing has confused me for a quite long time, and I have been thinking about this thing. You see, education equals life. Education equals freedom. Education equals prosperity. Education equals freedom of mind and heart. Education blossoms a bud and turns it into a flower. And if education, so-called education of today, and if the system of education is causing a person to commit suicide, then that is the very failure of the system of education in our country or our state or whatever. Okay, because education equals life, and if education, so-called education, is causing a student to commit suicide, that is the failure of education system itself. This is the reason why I emphasize most of the times in my classes also, when people talk about education. When I ask a person, how educated you are, immediately he'll start telling me, I have done my schooling from there. There's a difference. That is literacy. We are becoming literates. We are not becoming educated. In schools and in our colleges and all these places, we are becoming literates. We are not educated. Okay, most of us, we are not educated. Education transforms a person. Mahatma Gandhi was educated. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was educated. Maulana Azad was educated. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was educated. Okay, just to give a few examples. Of course, there are many of the greats who have taken birth in our own country. But why I'm trying to stress on this point is that if you have education, I challenge you, there cannot be a suicide. We need to change the system of literacy. What we are running here is the system of literacy. It is not the system of education. Okay, education is something that brings up the true, beautiful, natural qualities and talents of a person out. It gives peace of mind and heart. Say, for example, there was I think European philosopher, writer and poet. His name was Victor Hugo. You know what he said? He said, the one who opens the door of a school closes the door of a prison. And what is happening today? We are having educated, so-called educated criminals. We are having rowdy shooters and criminals who have done their engineering. Now, what kind of education is this? So we need to focus on this point. We need to seriously think about it. If you are giving proper education, then only we will be able to grow ourselves as an individual and as a society. If a person grows, if a person nourishes himself with true education, then his family gets the nourishment of education that affects the society.